We're going to use a flex frame style frame. So we're going to cut the flex frame to size. So first, the kit comes with two little jigs. One is to hold it in place while you're welding it, and the other one is to cut a perfect 45-degree miter. Next, use the miter jig and cut your miters for the frame. And then lightly deburr the edges. Next, we're going to assemble the flex frame. You can use our 90-degree jig. These can be super glued together, but what we have found is using a soldering iron to actually plastic weld this works pretty well. So the first pass, get a good weld in the seam, and then you can finish it up with a chisel tip. Using the flex frame, you can hot glue the flex frame in place.